we are making the sweet, spicy, and sour apple cider pomegranate Moscow Mule. We are going to start by filling our shaker glass with ice. We are going to add a full shot of vodka. Today I'm using Tito's. Then we are going to add a double shot of fresh apple cider. It is so delicious. It reminds me of fall so much. It's so sweet. It reminds me of going to the apple orchards. We're going to add that into our shaker glass. Then I'm going to add a double shot of pomegranate juice. And I love pomegranate juice because it gives you that same tartness and sweetness that you get from cranberry juice, but it's a little bit more exotic. We're going to add that into our shaker glass. And then we're going to add a big squeeze of lime. So I actually cut a lime in half, and we're going to squeeze it all into our glass. And the next step is a little unorthodox. I know what you're thinking. Selena, Moscow Mules are usually built in the glass and stirred to combine. But I wanted all of my ingredients to be very, very well combined before adding in the ginger beer. So I'm actually going to shake these first few ingredients together. Like I always say, we're going to shake it all together. And then we are going to pour the cocktail into our Moscow Mule cup. And the interesting thing about this copper glass is that there is a reason for it. Something about the mechanics or the science, I'm no chemist, I don't really know what to tell you, but there is some sort of properties in the copper that gives the Moscow Mule its authentic flavor. So there's always a little bit of history and there's always a little bit of a story in every cocktail that we make. And of course, like every Moscow Mule, the star is the ginger beer. It gives it this spicy sweetness that we just can't resist. So I'm gonna pop this sucker open. I'm gonna pop it open. And we're gonna top our cocktail. But we can't forget about our garnish. We have our little lime wheel here. We're gonna put it right on the corner, and then we are going to get some pomegranate seeds and add them right on top. And to complement the apple cider, we're gonna add skinny little apple slices right to the corner there. Wow, 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 I cannot wait to try this. Of course, I have my handy little straw. Why am I always so surprised when I try it? It's so delicious. I'll tell you how it tastes. Let me take another sip first. Okay, so you definitely get the spice from the ginger, which is so fresh tasting. And then we have a little bit of a zing from the lime, but not too much. It's not too sour, which is perfect. It's just the right amount. And then we have a very delicious, ruby, juicy pomegranate flavor in there. But the apple cider is definitely coming through so well. And I love how it's so balanced. We have a little bit of acid, we have a little bit of sourness, and we have a little bit of spice. So it's all around a very, very tasty cocktail. Definitely a crowd pleaser. Definitely really fresh tasting as well. So good. If you enjoyed this cocktail video and you want to see more, tune into my channel so that you can see all my dessert cocktails, my spritzy cocktails, my spicy cocktails, my sweet ones. I do just a little bit of everything. And also, don't forget that Sunny with a Shot is also a podcast. Sunny with a Shot of Sarcasm can be found anywhere that you listen to your podcast. We're on Apple, we're on Spotify, but of course, follow us on Instagram so you never miss a shot.